ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ooh ah ah, ting.
I can even kill you and I'm not killing you. That's how much. That's trust. That's trust. My lawyer! Sky! Sky!
Oh my god.
Sky, I'm sorry! Sky, I'm sorry!
Brock's having a seizure. We need to take him to the hospital.
Oh no!
I'm in the sky! I need to see that!
Silence for that shit, Martha.
That was fucking awesome!
I can't breathe!
I told you it was a cheat code, man. We just had he also gets that. I hate to see that.
I'm crying.
We have this wonderful gentleman here, and then we have this
They all look like Charlie Brown.
guy. That's not green. That's yellow. That's so we have this guy.
My eyes must be deceiving me.
But it's this guy. We're stuck with this fuckhead right now. But we really like this guy.
Honestly, KSI. What?
Daddy looks like Gerald from Hey Arnold.
What?
I'm just trying to drive it home. So this guy's house is white.
Oh my
Who's this guy?
gosh, this is fucking stupid.
This is the infamous Cheeto man.
I didn't try to spell it.
Sorry, children.
Some eggs, beet, and milk.
I can't swallow my coffee! I just spit it back up! I just spit my coffee back in my cup! What? I couldn't swallow. I gotta get up! I gotta walk away!
What is this word?
Holy shit!
Oh my gosh. 6 fucking 12 letters.
Oh, maybe not the correct shape, but kind of close. All right, now don't worry. Okay, you might think this looks a little weird. Okay, but don't worry, it's the good one. It's the good one.
Not sure I know the good one.
Freaking
I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of looks like him.
Good one!
Scotty was legitimately concerned.
I don't know what this is. How do you
Hey, can
spell
I
it?
interest you in a Charlie Chap plan?
Oh,
Charlie Chapman.
the good one. Shut up. Shut up.
That was definitely Hitler.
So there's this. I'm not sure if that's the right.
Lincoln, what?
Abraham Lincoln, the good Adolf Hitler. That was his campaign slogan 150 years before Hitler.
Still better than Hitler.
Oh shit.
What is this word?
You guys,
Okay, and then I know this is how this is gonna look.
This is gonna give it away. This is really gonna give it away.
What?
This must be the Wax Museum
It's the
version
good
of
one.
him. It's the good Adolf Hitler, but not Abraham Lincoln.
If he was in a zombie movie.
Fuck this goddamn game.
Oh my god.
Oh, someone has to draw a bottle of Heineken.
Hitler.
Hitler ordering a bottle of Heineken.
My bad, I'm clicking right now. I'm literally gonna marry you.
Conrad, were you swooping on Larry and Weeble?
I was, yeah.
Oh man, oh man.
Starting both of y'all though.
We're built different.
We're built different.
We were in love.
No.
Oh my god!
Holy shit! Pasta! Get some holy water. That was a fucking demon being summoned.
Oh, hello.
Summoning and then that happened.
Yeah.
Both bosses
Larry, don't
fucking
forget
laughed.
your card swipe move. Kara, Larry, Scotty,
Hold on, let me
ran
swipe
past
this
it.
card. I'm
Real
swiping this card
sus.
between Moose crotch, dude.
Gosh, that was amazing, dude.
In my life, I'm pretty sure there was a demon.
Holy fuck, not again, dude.
Wait. Before we talk, Pasta, are you okay?
Yeah, that's what I'm calling this.
Bro,
That's not being fine, Pasta.
Pasta, I genuinely want to throw holy water at you.
It's just worse right now because I can't breathe through my nose. I have a sinus infection.
All I heard was, I heard like literally you were talking in tongues. What the fuck?
I'm guessing.
Oh no.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and guess that he just tried to guess me as Trapper.
Brock, why you
want my
buttoning?
inhaler?
Honestly, I just wanted to make sure Pasta was okay.
No, she's not. Let's move on.
She's clearly an alien. She was trying to bust out of the
She was
human
demonic,
skin.
boy.
That was bad. Okay.
Gotta get some
We need an
holy water.
exorcist up in here.
Gotta get the Jesus symbol. Or cross.
She's just like that
Jesus.
alien in
Yeah,
Men
get
in
someone
Black.
get
She's wearing a
Jesus'
human
logo,
skin
please.
suit.
His branding's real good.
Jesus logo?
Someone call Jesus' graphic
don't know what the
designer.
Jesus logo is.
Anybody know who Jesus' graphic designer is? I got.
What's that Jesus logo?
Look at that speed! Look at our heads waddle. Oh my god. I'm gonna like zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in on our heads, like just going back and forth. I can't breathe.
Hey yo, welcome back to Frog Ask Questions on the Street. Oh, hold on. What do you think about?
I'm gonna piss my pants.
What do you think about snails? That was a weird person. All right, let's move on to the next one. What do you think about? All right. Surely there's nothing that can top this. This is peak.
I think we've completed games. That's it.
Damn. Should be crazy out here on the Frog streets.
God, dude! Oh, damn it! Of course, leave it to the fucking Mandalorian to kill him. Christ.
shot you just stabbed.
Boba Fett.
I did again.
Oh God, Boba Fett! I just thought of that. Boba Fett, the redneck version of Boba Fett, comes up, he's got the big old beer gut, and he's just like, "Sup, motherfuckers? Who's going to the NASCAR race? I can get us some great seats. If you don't mind sitting on the edge of the top of the damn stadium."
Yeah, I was gonna name my truck the Slave One, but a lot of my friends, it's probably a little bit of a bad idea. You know, on account of what happened with the Confederacy and such.
Oh my God! I didn't even put that together. Holy shit!
You're welcome.
Oh God, I'm seeing stars. Oh fuck. I'm literally seeing stars. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, I wanted to name a picture. Goddamn, dude, you are gonna be the death of me.
I tell you what, this is the way.
This is the way right here, border.
Holy fuck. Jesus Christ.
Your
Oh, I gotta go down this way.
Fucked past the wall.
Listen, this is my lab. You get used to it. It's bad.
You got some air.
It's like it punched me in the face. Dude, Evan, you got fucked up.
Oh, you got your head crushed.
Oh my God.
Please, I can't so fuck to that shit. You're
I can't breathe, dude. I just fucking Patrick starfished and then Evan like did a front flip.
Spoon making love sounds like. Does that say anal? Anal makes me go. Oh my God. Sounds like when more.
What was that about 6 kills?
Dude, it's been like 10 rounds. I like finally gets like an extra kill. What was that you were saying about 6 kills? Now who's got 7 kills, bitch? Yeah.
That can't be good for you.
Fuck's sake.
That can't be helped.
Oh my God, that noise! That was a good one. Holy shit. It sounded like a broken down lawnmower just.
Right? That thing needs some gas in it, brother. It ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Pasa, we need to have your laugh looked at by science.
Gosh.
I don't want to fix it. I just want to know how it happens.
Oh my God.
We just want to know how this became. That one kind of hurt, I ain't gonna lie.
That's a fucked up camel. Vibrator. Is that the foreskin?
What is happening on my screen?
Well, it's not quite a foreskin, but...
Great choice in color there. What is this? There's not really a skin color. What do you, I mean, like a color for that. What do you want me to do?
That's the most fucked up sex toy I've ever seen.
What is this? How did you guys get it already? What is this? That was not surprise, bitch. How do you go back?
He censored his porn at the end.
It's gonna work.
I'll tell you what. Chicken pot pie is like the pussy of food. Think about it, dude.
I'm tweeting out right now.
I'm not as crazy as you think.
I'm done.
A chicken pot pie. I tell you.
Chicken pot pie is the pussy of
the food pyramid, bro. All right.
Pussy.
Anyone who knows and understands what I said, they know. If you know, you know. Chicken pot pie is the pussy, dude. All right, if you know, you know. End of story.
What is Delirious do? I just want to like
in like 3 minutes.
This is amazing.
I can hear him.
I feel like. All right, I'm gonna go fix lights. I'll be right back.
Hello, Delirious. It seems you've been looking for us, Delirious.
I have been looking for you. Where the hell were you? Why are y'all laughing?
Holy fuck! Oh my god, it's so good! Holy shit!
Hey, was I right? Who could say they have Among Us gameplay like that? Delirious, how was it showering your baby? How'd that go?
What are you talking about?
He's already a ghost.
Guys, half that time I was standing right below you.
Oh, were you really?
Yes.
I was listening to you guys. I was listening to you guys talk.
That's fucking
No
great.
idea where we are.
I was listening to you across the
Can we
map,
kick
taking
Nova out
weapons.
because he's cheating?
I'm not cheating. It's just, I don't know. It's
Why don't you shut the fuck up
bit
and just
by
let
a
me
spider
play?
and got super
Yeah,
hearing,
don't
dude.
say that.
Don't spoil it.
Oh, that's funny.
that was amazing.
Let's remake since he has superpowers.
Dude, that was a win in my eyes, Delirious.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
We had no idea. Yeah, you're gonna.